ever seen those movies with the dark hallways?
What up, gang? We're at Cafe Vegan, in between apartment tours. Cheers.
It's not hers.
One of them. I got a London fog. Well, it's called Seattle fog. With 2 shots of espresso.
I'm probably only gonna drink half of this. I should have got 1 shot.
That's the best. Brighter. Darker. Oh my gosh, Jonathan just told me the craziest ever. First, it was Ozzy Osbourne a couple days ago. Now, Hulk Hogan. What is going on? What is going on? We are at the Hello Guys in South Lake Union.
This is the food.
We got white sauce. We got hot sauce. And then the hot sauce.
That's a lot of hot sauce. Nothing.
I didn't put all of it.
Yeah? You like it? Is it hot?
Not too hot.
Not too hot? I'll give it a shot. Okay. Okay. It's not bad. Wow, oh my god. Weird building. Oh. For once. Where am I going? I don't know where I'm going. We made it. How do I get out? Very, very small kitchen.
Yeah, tiny.
I don't really cook, so it doesn't really matter. Big space. Yeah, bedroom's over here.